Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Eye Media with your man GMK. In today's episode of our YouTube tutorial, I'm going to take you through how you can actually fix notification problem of your WhatsApp. It's going to be very simple, easy. All you have to do is you make sure you watch this particular video to the end. If you are new on this particular channel, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Turn on the bell so that anytime we upload a video, you will be notified. Without delay, let us jump straight into the video. So what you are going to do is that quickly, a situation where you've been having this particular problem, when you are being sent a message or you have messages on WhatsApp, it doesn't get you notified or it doesn't display on the screen of your phone. All you have to do is there are settings, notification, problem. You can easily fix it this way. Just look out for your settings on your phone. So I have my own here. This is my own. So I have my settings here. Click on it and then you scroll down. Look for. So I have my own here already. Look for your applications. So I have my own here already. App management. I'm talking about this one. Just click on it and then you move straight to this place, app list. So on some other phones we have it like how do we even call it? It could only be apps, right? So I have my own to be app list, and then in order to, so these are all my applications. I quickly scroll up in order to look for my WhatsApp. So I have my own here. Here is my WhatsApp. Here is my own. Here is my own. Let me quickly take you there. My WhatsApp is here. So you click on it and then as you can see here, I have notifications. So click on notifications. So allow notifications. Show badges, you have to turn it on. Banners, you have to turn it on. Lock screen, that is when the screen is locked. Once you receive a message, there will be a pop-up or there will be a notification. You have to turn it on. Play sound, you have to turn it on, and then vibrate as well should be turned on. So basically that is how it is. So all chat notification, group notifications, everything should be turned on in order to get your phone going, or so that anytime you receive a WhatsApp message, you will quickly be notified. It is as easy as that. So once I have this done, anytime a message is sent, it can easily, there will be a sound and then I'll be notified as well with the WhatsApp icon, on the screen that I have received a message. If this video has been of help, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel Tech Eye Media. Please turn on the bell, comment at the comment section below, and then also share the video with friends. Like this particular video, basically. So that is how it is. See you in our next video. Bye.